Goodbye, New Orleans. Thanks for the trip. It was a good one. Now we are headed for Waynesville, Texas.
Yeah.
Wrightsville, Someville, Willsville, Texas. About halfway to Waco.
Yeah, we're going to Waco.
Yeah. What are we doing when we get to Waco?
Surfing.
That's my girl.
Houston.
We can speed this up so it looks like you're doing regular speed.
Yeah.
Oh, I just got that. Holy shit. All right, good morning from Willisville, Texas, side of the highway. And Macy didn't sleep for shit. Sawyer was in our bed because he peed out again. The toilet you now cannot sit on at all, or it leaks everything. And that's rigging, baby. Oh hey, look at that. The hits just keep on coming here at That's Riggin' Baby World. That's on our slide. I'm gonna have to put some silicone in that so it didn't take water. Gnarly, gnarly. Hey Macy, smile. Because we're at Bucky. Fun fact, Buc-ee's was born in 1982, much like me. And now Macy is cotton candy thieving. All right, I-35, Waco, Texas RV park. We are back. All of our parts will be here to fix the toilet tomorrow and Monday.
But
Tomorrow. Everything will be here.
So then we have to fix our toilet.
And
I'm gonna go fix it. This Waco episode is probably gonna look a lot like the last Waco episode, except I'm gonna kill it at the wave park this time. And we get to eat meat. And sausage. This barbecue sausage thing, I didn't even know it was a thing. It's literally the best thing. Barbecue sausage. Right?
The bark on
the smoked sausage is fantastic.
Yep.
Fantastic. Sawyer's gonna eat a hamburger tonight, right?
nope.
We're going to Union Food Hall, which is where we went last time, and
Just kidding.
can't go that way, so I'll just go this way.
Alright.
All right.
Go this way.
And then I'll just go that way. And then there's just things we got to do around here that are a little different this time.
Use the left lane to turn
Yeah, I get it. It's a multi-pass. Easy like Saturday evening. Ooh! Oh. Oh.
Good? Here you go, bud. Here. Give it a try.
All right, good morning. Waco. Big morning. Big morning. Sawyer wants his training wheels off.
Yeah, he does.
So we're gonna give this a shot today. See if we can make it happen.
You got this, bud. All right.
All right. This is gonna be great. I've been trying to get him to do this for a while, and it was just his idea. Pick it up, you gotta walk it. It's a little tougher now. No, 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 just walk it to this field. Fucking daredevil. Today we surf. BSR, we have the family pass, so we're gonna go do all the fun stuff and hang out. And then Dad surfs at 3. And I'm coming to kill the pool today, at least cruise the Nar, you know what I'm saying. Cruise it. All right, bud, let's do it. All right, steer it through here. Steer it through the trees. All right, pedal, pedal, pedal. All right, hold it up straight. Hold it up straight, I got you. Hold it up straight, I got you.
Doing it.
Hold it up straight. Hold it up straight, keep going. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Dude, you're doing it! Are you kidding me? First try. Come here. First try. Oh my gosh. First try. Don't worry about it.
Thanks, Mama.
All right. Now, did you feel you leaned a little bit?
Yeah.
So you got to lean back the other way.
Okay.
All right, get back on. That was a good one, good bail. Awesome. All right, here we go. You ready? This way, towards that picnic table. Ready? All right, keep it up straight. Don't lean over to the side. Keep going. Oh my God, yes. Yes. Keep going. Woo! Ha ha ha! Oh my God. Oh, dude.
Can we do it again?
Put your feet up there. I have to pedal pretty hard. It's uphill. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Keep going. Don't stop pedaling. There you go. Good save. Woo! Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What a big dog.
No. I don't want.
Go give your mom love.
Oh my gosh, dude. What a big dog. He was just like, I just want to take my training wheels off.
Dang, dude, that's crazy.
Aw. It's like, are you so proud of yourself? You should be. You should
Holy
be so
cow.
proud of yourself, buddy. Wow. All right. Goodbye, training wheels forever. Aw. Dude, I love you. Mwah.
Sawyer, guess what? We're at BSR Cable Park. It says heaven.
Let's take our shoes off. I think we're doing this.
Yeah? What are you taking? Taking 3? Backside rippers to dying. Yeah. Woo. Last one. Session 1 in the books. Yo. Such a good session.
I got a lot of video.
Totally redeemed myself.
Yeah.
Wow. Family. Family.
Yeah, even with the rain.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Your face is red.
Oh, I'm definitely sunburned.
You got some sun skis.
Sawyer, I can see has a tan now.
That was incredible. That was freaking incredible, man.
Please.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Good morning. The day after the surf, we are gonna take advantage of this nice rainy weather. It hailed last night about 3 a.m. and then it rained all night. So it's kind of a gloomy day. It's only about 75 degrees. So we're gonna go to the silos today, Magnolia Market, and we're gonna head to Dallas, check out some stuff in Dallas as well. Not too sore today, impressive. And yeah, Sawyer's out there riding his bike without training wheels, just doing laps like a complete big dog. Macy Jo is eating cheese and pooping her pants. All is right in the universe.
Guys, I like to see this. A doodle bug. He's mine now.
Right there. Sawyer found a little bug.
He was on my daddy's tire.
Oh man. What's his name?
Captain the Hat.
Oh, I love it. All right, go find a good spot for him. Back again. We have returned.
Last time it was under construction big time. This time everything is open. So we have like a little mock baseball field, which is super sick. Definitely need to go get Sawyer.
Take your key and set it over there on the steps.
And we also got some bougie trucks. I would venture to say that these are, yep, Silo Baking Company. Definitely Chip and Joanna's place. And do these get brought in every day?
So we make all of these in-house.
At the bakery?
So in the bakery, yeah.
Oh,
We just
nice.
bring them over from the bakery.
That's awesome. Sawyer, where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
I'm going to work today.
Hi, how are you? This is like the coolest sign. Isn't that awesome? Much better experience this time. Everything was open. No COVID restrictions, so you aren't getting yelled at to enter one door, exit one. And so yeah, all their construction is done. And this place is huge. Chip and Joanna, they making money.
We will see more videos. Subscribe that red channel, hit that like button, so we will see you on the road. Check this more video on surfing and don't play. Woo!
Let me just say, burrito tacos all over. Burrito tacos. We've tried them in 2 different places. That's what I'm going to miss about Texas the most. Barbecue's great. Tacos are fantastic. Everybody's loving on it. Look at that Jew. Look at that Jew. Give me that Jew. Give me that Jew.
Look at Macy.
Look at Macy. Get it.